Hey everyone, I'd like to share with you a ZenFone 5 feature that I really like. This time, I'd like to talk about the AI gallery. It has a clear design that helps you to find photos and keep them organized in different album categories.
With the AI gallery feature, you can focus on capturing those great moments. This feature also includes offline smart facial recognition to help you find your friends and family quickly, as well as grouping by different scenes, locations, people in both photo and video. The ZenFone 5 takes care of organizing your photos in a beautiful and smart way by using grid albums and categories with clear text labels in full screen mode.
This and more awesome features can be found on the new ZenFone 5. Be sure to check them all out. Thanks for watching.